on Sheikh Mohammed bin
Good morning!
Good morning.
We're gonna move to...
Ano home?
We're gonna move to a new home!
Our TV there.
Ha?
Our TV there.
Si RTV's there na. May mga gamit pa dito. Kasi kami lang muna yung lilipat. Kaming apat. Sila, dito pa sila hanggang matapos yata yung contract dito. Pupunta tayo doon! Mag-ano tayo? Not so empty apartment tour. Kailangan namin pumunta ng maaga kasi i-deliver yung kama tsaka kakabit yung internet. Room inside. Remove your shoes, kuya. Wow! Dito na tayo, mga lodi. Hello, Dad. Ano masasabi mo sa bago nating tahanan?
It's empty. You need furniture.
It's empty. Walang naman.
That is saving you.
Iyo. So, ito po ang ating toilet. First toilet,
Need a bridge, Daddy.
kitchen, living room. Dito na yung ibang gamit. Nadala na. Ito yung kwarto namin. Wow! Cabinets. Wow, ang daming joke. Ang dami nating ayusin, guys. Ayan, yung crib. And then, ito ang second bedroom. Ito yung masters. Dito sila. And then, may toilet din dito. Toilet. Gamit na din. Kailangan natin ng gamit, Dad. This is our living room. Ganito na po yan. Hindi na kami maglalagay ng sofa. Para malaki yung takbuhan ng dalawa. Tashi, sleeping. Na na na. Na na na. Si Kuya at home na, oh. Lalaro na siya dito. Lalaro na. And here's our view. So, mag-ayos tayo ng gamit. nakabit na yung internet, guys. Bababa lang kami sa Katrinas para
Let's get some cookies.
mag-snack. Let's go down, Tashi. Ay, tanggal natin. Headgear mo. Naka-headgear pa si Tashi. Pupunta lang sa coffee shop. Naka-headgear pa. Naka-headgear pa. Haba na ng hair ko, oh. Haba na po ng hair ko. No, no, no.
What?
That's heater.
That's the heater.
Gonna make the water hot.
Hot?
Mhm.
The want the water to be hot.
And that's why don't switch it on.
This
Ito na agad, pagbaba ng building, Katrina. Ba't ganun ka?
what is the
What do you want, kuya?
Want something cheesy or do you want cookie?
Something chocolatey.
Kaya may cookies po kayo. Cookies.
I want the cookie. I like a cookie.
Mura lang, oh. Yummy. Bake din sila ng cakes. Dito namin nabili yung cake ni Tati sa bahay.
Where is the cookie?
It's there. Let's wait for Dada.
It's my cookie.
Need the paper.
I need your card.
You need my card?
I need your card to pay. I need your card to pay.
Matzo daw.
Huwag na, huwag na.
Huwag na? Huwag na daw. Yan lang. Ito. Yan, okay.
Yeah.
All your cookies, don't drop them.
What did you buy?
I want tea.
Sprinkles. Then almond croissant and tasty bread. Tasty bread. Milk bread. Let's eat some snackies. Let's see. Bread. Oh. Oh, bread. Wow, what's that? Kirapa.
Nom. I love the cookie.
Dada. Kain muna sila. Parating na daw yung kama. So, kailangan maayos ko na yun. Kwarto. Muna. Keep on turning around. You will put it immediately in the room or?
We have two matters.
Yeah.
Can I see first? There is one 180 and one 160.
That one.
Yeah, 160.
Ito na yung bed. Bed. Mattress lang. Ito na yung mattress natin. Yung size na sa amin, 180 by 200. Tapos yung isa, 160 by 200. Yan, may meeting kasi si Dada dun sa loob, kaya hindi mo na pinasok. Tashi! So, ito pa lang natapos ko. Damit ko, damit ni Art, damit ni Tashi, tsaka ni Garen. Damit ni Garen. Tapos ito, mga i-hanger kasi yan. Tapos ito, isa-stack pa yan. So, ilalagay na lang siguro dun sa taas. Tapos, yung iba, yung mga yan, i-hanger. Ayan, toys na hindi pa nabubuksan. Isa-stack lang din yan sa taas. So, wala nang laman. Toys. Daming toys. 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 Yan mga gamit ni Tashi. Hintayin natin yung puting IKEA na ganun. Ting. Ayan. Wala na yung laman. No more. Dami pa. Bala ko dito maglagay ng table ko. Diyan. Kasi iniisip ko, tabi ng crib. Pag nag-ingay ako dito, magigising siya. So, pag-isipan natin mabuti. Ito yung bed, 180 by 200. Dito natin lalagay. Ito siguro dalawang side table. O isa lang, dun sa gilid. Isang side table. Para may extra storage. Kasi ito masyado pong blanco, no? Pwede ba tayo mag-mount dito, Dada? Siguro frame or something. Saka dito, oh. Walang laman. Yun lang muna. Kain tayo sa labas.
This one? You want this one?
Coke na o regular?
Actually, ayos na lang pala.
Ano yan, Tashi? Pumipili ka din ng sayo?
Yeah, rin. Of course, okay. No one's gonna pick it up again. It's dirty na. It's dirty.
Okay na pa. Mag-order ka din?
Mag-order ka? Sige po.
Kailan ka lang pa?
Ate, may coloring.
Aba, yan natin.
Kuya!
I need this yard. I'm gonna find a ball. Where I'm gonna find a ball.
What are you doing, Kuya?
Messy.
Messi! Oh no! What happened there? Did you make a monster?
Red,
Oh.
bigger monster.
Oh, yeah. Hanap sana ako ng pwedeng sock organizer dito sa Daiso. Kaso parang mas mahal pa kaysa dun sa nakita ko sa Amazon. So baka sa Amazon na lang. Gulo ng book. Sorry na guys. Baka sa Amazon na lang tayo bumili. Titingin sila ng toy.
Look, I found the ring. Yeah? We don't need that ball. This one already has a ball.
Paano boy niyo pa yan? May pang lobo?
That's the same. But I like the same.
This one is better.
No, this one is better.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
You want that? Oh no! Thank you, Kuya.
Tashi.
Take it to the data.
Kaya na may dada. Dada yung kanya din daw.
I got my ball.
Let's go.
Go. Tayong toy ni Tashi.
I can't
Ito.
Ayun, bilang na. Pagod na lang.
Let's go. Come on na. Follow Dada. We're gonna go. So, itong bilhin kay Garen. Nahilig kasi siya magluto-luto. Let's go, Kuya.
But walking.
Pagod na daw siya. Pagod na daw si Kuya.
Don't be under the basket. Come here. From this side first. From this side. Daddy will fix it.
It's open din your toy. Kuya, what toy? Also, Tashi.
Kuya, don't step on it. Go to the yellow. Here, here.
Open it. Open.
See? Good job! One more time. Okay, it's okay. Try again.
Jump, Kuya.
Keep trying slowly. Relax first. You're too excited. Relax.
What's that?
See? Good job.
Key.
You need to relax first. That's why.
This one's for green fish. Good job.
Show Papi lang how to shoot.
Okay, wait. Yeah. One more?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Show Papi lang
This
how to
one.
shoot. Ready? Relax and shoot. Yay! Good job. And that's how we play basketball. How to relax and shoot. Yeah.
Kuya, can you give me the wipe, please? There, oh, the wipe. Then this one. Yay! Thank you.
Yung rep may lang. the window, baby.